What's up guys, we're down here in Texas at Outlaw Leather today and we're going to be showcasing their store and what they got to offer you. Let's check it out.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, so we have the up and smoke shirts here. We have non-FR and FR. And we're going to go over here with the arm pads. We have different type of leather. We have exotic, different designs. Anything you want, we can make. Make sure to shoot us a DM if you want something customized. And here are the work belts that you can use for your rod bags, your bolt bags, for your work setting. So
this is for your iron workers or lineman workers, and this is going to help you to hold your bags, tools, rods, anything that you need to carry while you're up on the iron.
And on this side we have most of the fitted tools and many tools that you'll need. We have some knee pads, some flange wizards, hard caps, anything you need basically.
So you could come off of the job or be heading to a job and get pretty much everything that you need here at the Outlaw Leather store.
Okay, and we also have the flame tech, the uni weld, a little bit of
everything that you need for cutting or prepping metal or heating things up, just like you would on a job site. They have it here for you guys. And then over here we got the snake belly TIG torches and TIG rigs, as well as all the jack stands and fitter tools you need to hold up the pipe and get it set up.
And on this side we have the pocket hoods that you can use when you're welding in smaller spaces.
And then right here we got the Blue Demon wire, any type of wire that you will need for welding on a job, MIG welding, stick welding, TIG welding, they have it all right here for you guys.
And we have some of our hats, some of Pipeline Legit's hats, our pancake straps, anything you need for the pancakes, we'll have it here.
So yeah, take a look at all these hats right here. There's really awesome hats with cool designs. Like I said, I always liked wearing hats right after the job, when I was going to the restaurant, or just traveling anywhere, just letting people know what I do for a living. And also these pipeline hoods are really cool if you're a pipeline welder, as well as the rod pouches. And then this vast array of welding hoods with leather on them.
And on this side we have the headgears that you'll need for your hoods. We have pipeliner headgear, tiger hood headgear, we have our headgear, halos, speedies, whatever you need for your hard caps. And we also have the CK. We have a couple of consumables and cheater lenses. We have glass and the little plastic ones.
And also something really cool about these welding helmets is they can do any design that you want. So they also have stuff on their website, but if you have something specific like your state flag or anything, you can DM them and get a hold of them and they could make whatever design you want for your welding hood. And they're all hand painted too. So it takes a lot of quality time and craftsmanship to make these welding hoods.
And on this side we have the carbon fiber pipeliner, one of the lightest in the game.
Yeah, they're super light too. So, if you're like welding a piece of pipe and you're over in a ditch and you have to hold your head up over, a drop off or something, these helmets are not going to cause a lot of weight bearing on your neck and they'll be easy to weld with. So that's their special carbon fiber welding helmets. You can't get them anywhere else.
And we also have the Welding Caps. We have different designs, sizes, and any color that you want.
Yep, so here at Outlaw Leather, they got all the gloves that you need, all the welding caps that you need. So Outlaw Leather here is a one-stop shop. You can get all the welding helmets you need, the welding supplies, welding hoods, pocket hoods, jack stands, fitter tools, anything, you name it, they have it here at Outlaw Leather. So we're grateful for these guys having us here today. Again, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that like button as well. And if you want to stay up to date on our notifications, go ahead and click the bell button because we upload videos every week that are very helpful for welders in the welding industries.